In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopee account and make some changes to your personal settings with ease. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, this guide will help you manage your account smoothly and confidently. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopee website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Shopee URL or simply searching Shopee in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a vibrant array of products and promotions, but don't get sidetracked by any enticing offers just yet. Now that you're on Shopee's homepage, the next step is to locate your profile. Usually, you can find this in the upper right corner of the page. It might be represented by a small icon or your profile picture if you've set one. Click on this and it will open up a drop-down menu or a new page displaying various options related to your account. Once the profile menu is open, you'll want to look for the option that says My Account. This area is essentially your control center for managing all personal information associated with your account. Go ahead and click on My Account. This will redirect you to a new page displaying all sorts of account details and settings. On the My Account page, you'll see an overview of your current profile settings, order history, payment options, and more. For today's objective, we are focused on updating your email settings. Navigate to where it says Change next to the email section. This is where you can update or verify your email address to ensure all communications from Shopee are reaching you correctly. Clicking Change will prompt you to enter a new email address or verify the existing one. This step is straightforward but essential for keeping your account information up to date and ensuring you receive all your order confirmations, promotional offers, and important notifications directly in your inbox. After making any necessary changes, take a moment to review them to make sure that everything is correct. Double-check the spelling of your email address to prevent any future issues with communication. Once you're satisfied with the changes, confirm them by pressing the Save button if required. And that's it. You've successfully navigated your way through Shopee's account settings to update your email. This simple but crucial action protects your account and keeps you in the loop with Shopee's latest updates. Thank you for following along with this guide. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative. Remember, managing your online accounts doesn't have to be intimidating, and with a little know-how, it can be a swift and straightforward process. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.